One of our most common complaints with sublimation printing is that the prints that are coming out don't match what we see on screen. Now, a laptop or a monitor is backlit, so your image is going to look very vibrant and vivid. Now, when printing, you'll notice that the printout is much duller than what you see on screen, and oftentimes the colours can look completely wrong, especially the blues in this image and the greens. They're nowhere near as vibrant as what's on screen. But this is normal. As long as you have used your Ink Experts ICC and followed our guides, this is completely fine. When pressed, the image I've just shown you actually produces this, which is much closer to what you see on screen. As long as you use your ICC profiles, you won't have any issue, and the dull image is nothing to worry about. Press it first, and if you have a problem, contact us for troubleshooting.